All right, y'all, I had to make a special video. And the reason why I'm making this is because crypto is going against the grain. Cryptocurrency is going against the grain of the Nasdaq, Wall Street, the stock market in general. So, let me show you what I'm talking about here. All right, let's roll down. This is Robinhood. Robinhood investing, just in case you didn't know. This is my portfolio. And so we're gonna roll down here to, and we, just so you know, we are in a bear market. I will not deny that at all. We're in a downturn overall, but I want to show you something. These are all of the cryptos that you can trade within Robinhood. Now, the reason why I'm showing you this is let me remove myself for just a second. All right, let me show you. Stellar Lumens XLM. Let me open that up. Right now, it's trading at 11 cents, 11.9924 cents. But if you look at today's performance, 5%. It's right now it's up 6%. And let me show you in a little bit more detail. Right here, right there. It's up 6% on the day. Now there aren't many stocks today performing at a 6% increase on the day. All right. Now let's look at Cardano. Cardano is up 4% on the day. That's as of today. Solana is up 3% today. Bitcoin Cash, the little brother of Bitcoin, trading at $115, is up 4.4% on the day. Let's keep going. I'm not going through all of them, but I just wanted to show you a few of them. And this is the final one that I'm going to show you, the final cryptocurrency that you can trade in Robinhood. Compound, trading at $61.43, is up. Hold on, let me circle this. Right here, 12% on the day. That's 12% on the day, and you can see when I drag my cursor across the chart here. If you look back at this is around 1:30 this morning. It was right at zero almost, and then it went up throughout the morning. It just kept going up, and then right here, it topped out at 13%, and now it's at 12% on the day. So the reason why I'm showing you all this, let me come back on here. The reason why I'm showing you guys this is because, yes, the stock market is, the foundation of day trading, swing trading, long-term investing, and crypto is the new player in town. It got established in 2008, 2009, somewhere in there. However, and in a lot of cases, crypto will emulate the stock market, but not all the time. You have to keep an eye on it. Cryptocurrency will do some weird things, and if you have time to watch the market, and I'm not saying you can time it, this is not financial advice at all. You need to do your own due diligence and research whatever entity or crypto or stock you want to invest in. Just do your research and start off with paper trading or very, very small amounts of money. You can start with as little as $1 if you're on Cash App investing or Robinhood. You can start off with as little as $1, and that's what I recommend you do until you develop a strategy of how you want to day trade or swing trade. And the thing is, if you had kept an eye on it this morning and threw in a couple of $1,000s, a few $100s, you could have made you some money today. And the thing is, you can't time it perfectly. You cannot time it perfectly. No one can. But you can keep an eye on it and watch how a particular crypto will, how it moves. You can watch how it moves and determine a point of entry that could work out to be more beneficial for you. And then from there, you can dollar cost average if you need to, or buy on the dip if you need to. And my thing is, and I'm just gonna give y'all a little part of my strategy that I use. When I invest in a crypto, let's just say I put in $800. I have a set amount of money in mind, a set amount that I'm willing to lose. And if it gets to that point, I sell it, I jump out and keep it moving. And I'm okay with that because that's the set amount that I had in mind already that I was willing to lose. So, that might be, sometimes it might be 1%, it might be 2%, or maybe as much as, I don't go 3%, I'll go up to 2.5%. And then I'll sell it, get out. But if that crypto moves up and I can keep an eye on it, I'll set my limit order to sell, when it hits 3, 4, 5%, hey, that you made a come up right there. But I'm willing to lose now. And let me say this. The ultimate goal is to win with very small gains. And with crypto, you can day trade as much as you want. You can nickel and dime the market, meaning you can, or some people like to call it paper cut trading. You make very small gains, sell for a small profit, get out, and then reestablish a point of entry and do the same thing again. And you can do that multiple times in one day. You can day trade crypto as much as you want. And the beautiful thing about it is 24 hours a day. You don't have to worry about, the market closing and then your stock dropping 15-20% overnight, and then you wake up and you have a nightmare on your hands. Now you can wake up at 1 a.m. and sell your Bitcoin or your Ethereum, your Solana, whatever, and then you can wake up at 5:30 a.m. and buy back into it. That's the right now, and I'm glad that we have that option with crypto, because that the thing about it, I'm here in the U.S., so you have people over in Asia, China, Malaysia, wherever. People can trade this all around the world. So when we're sleeping over here in the Americas, people are buying and selling over there in Europe and Asia and Africa, and it just keeps moving. It's 365 days a year. So if you have no more than say 2-3 cryptos that you understand and keep an eye on, you can day trade and make yourself a decent return on your trades. So that's what I had. How can I put this? I'm in this for the long term. I day trade, I swing trade, and I invest for long-term growth. But you have to know what's best at the right time. And right now, we're in an insane bear market, and I'm holding most of my stocks right now, and I'm investing for long-term growth with those. But with crypto, I can still day trade that and swing trade that right now for profits. So that's what I'm doing. And y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all think about this. Have you been noticing the way crypto has been moving against the grain here, especially the past few days? I have. Y'all have a good rest of the day, man.